want to give up, don't give up. Take me for instance. When I started, I was a nobody. But look at me today. I'm still a nobody. Oh, nothing comes also. But I won't complain. Yes, because when I really deceive us when we're small. Now sir, I like the way you smile, sir. Sir, open the teeth well. Nice. When we're small, the teacher say what an elder can see when sitting down. Say if children climb the highest mountain, they don't go see them. Now before, elders, what children can see when lying down. When are they climb they go? And when we did primary school, they tell us we did primary. You get some things they don't teach us. They tell us don't worry. When you get to secondary school, they will teach you. We reach secondary school. They tell us, don't worry. When you get to the university, they will teach you. Sir, at the university now, they tell me, these are things they must have taught you in both primary and secondary. But and finally, before I go, they really deceive us. God will punish our teachers. I swear, God will judge them. Because that time for secondary school, now I like the way girls they misuse English. You go meet girl, ask her, where are you going to? Hospital, where all of us know. Girl will tell you, I'm going to the hospital. So if you call hospital, how you won't call hospitality? That's rubbish. And that time they teach us that question. They will say, she is here, isn't she? Now answer now go school. She is here, isn't she? They were here wearing cake. I was there, wasn't I? When we say we don't fit talk, I am here, aren't I? You cook rice, couldn't you? And they will say, give her a book is correct. Why we don't fit talk, give him book? Say it's wrong. It's not wrong, sir. If I can tell a girl, give her a book and it's correct. I can also tell a boy, give him. If they're plenty, give them.